Hey guys, it is Tuesday, and obviously it is time for tea, and I have to do what I always do is to go get my people on Facebook. Okay, I don't know what that's telling me. There's some little notice there, but I'll figure that out. So I'll go see my people on Facebook, and then we'll all have tea and talk about this amazing smoothie that I'm going to be making, which is so simple. You have no idea how simple it is. Simple as ABC, 1, 2, 3. So let's get this going. Let's bring up our lovely Facebook friends. Hi guys, how are you? I'm coming to get you now, and tell yes. So let's do that. It tells me that that I am live on Facebook. All that stuff. And I'm looking for my Facebook people. And as soon as I see them and they see me, then we are absolute ready to go and be happy with each other. And hey, what can I tell you? All good. So it's all good. And yeah, I see them. I see them. I hope they see me. Hi, Facebook people. All right, so now we're good. We have to start as usual, correctly. Hi guys, I am Lorna Owen, CEO of Desert Sage Lifestyle Wellness Company, and we're located in DeLand, Florida. And we have amazing teas and candles and CBD cream, and we have natural body wash and lotion, all healthy, good stuff. As usual, I'm pouring myself Africa Goddess. It's an oolong tea from the foothills of the Kilimanjaro mountain. I drink a lot of oolong because it's good for weight loss. If that's your deal, then that's your tea. We have 2 oolongs, Connoisseur Delight. You can check it out on desert-sage.co. And we also have the African Goddess from those fabulous tea women at the foothills of the Kilimanjaro mountain, which, as you know, is located in Tanzania. So happy tea day. Cheers. Drink tea. Be well. When you drink tea, we're friends. So essentially, we're friends right now. Hey, guys. I'm drinking and saying a prayer. This is so good. This is the second brew. You see how pretty it looks? Second brew. I'm saying a prayer for all our friends in Texas. A lot of snow, cold, a lot of snow. And what's bothering to me is that obviously electricity is out, but also they're saying some of the gas is out. So please say a prayer for folks in Texas and anywhere else you're having this snowstorm. We pray that it goes away real quick. But guess what? One way to keep warm, it really, not only is it warm by heat, but it warms the body by chemistry, is to drink tea. Good tea, okay? Thanks to you guys, you ladies who spent Valentine's Day with me on Sunday. Hope your Valentine was good to you, but a couple of us got together and we had Valentine's Day and we had afternoon tea. Actually, it was more royal tea because I had Prosecco, so that's royalty. And we eventually ran back in our rooms and got our hat. It was so fabulous, So today we're going to be talking about something called matcha. Matcha is a green tea. It's a Japanese green tea. And it's stone ground into powder. But a little bit more about this whole thing, matcha. Like I said, it's a green tea, but it's a special kind of tea. All right. So essentially what happened is that special care is taken in terms of harvesting and processing this matcha. They pick the tea in about mid-May. Yes. And then they cover it. No, before they pick it, what they do is it's harvested in May. But 20 days before, because I'm like, how did it get the chlorophyll? Because 20 days before they actually harvest the green tea, they cover the tea over with tarpaulin or mat or reed, so it gets dark. And every day they make it darker and darker. And what that does is that it increases the chlorophyll level. The tea just really goes into chlorophyll production mode. And it also preserves the L-theanine, which is something you really want to know. It's great for you. It's one of the antioxidants in tea. So that's why everybody is so raving about matcha, because of all the chlorophyll that it has in it and the L-theanine. So 20 days before they harvest it, they cover it over and make it dark, and it goes into overproduction in producing chlorophyll. Then they pick it and they steam it. You steam it to stop the oxidation or fermentation, right? And then they devein it. They leave the big leaf. So this is not tea, but this is my spinach that I'm going to be putting in it. But assuming that this is tea, then they would take out the vein. Yeah, they would devein it, and then they would be left with the big, nice, supple, high quality, youthful tea leaf. Okay, so it would be like this. And that they then at this stage is called aracha. Okay, then they dry it, they steam it to stop. It's aracha. They dry it, and at this time it's called tensha. And then they go and they get these stone mills, these round stone mill, and they grind it into powder. It's very labor intensive, right? It's labor intensive. And because you have to grind it a certain way, not too quickly, because the stone surface would get heated up, it would change the character of the matcha, right? So you find there's big history for it. People use it meditatively. We'll talk a little bit about what you find in it because of all this chlorophyll. Lots of trace minerals, okay? But also, in addition to that, we have vitamin C, E, K, B complex. And as you know, if you are vegetarian like me with a little bit of fish, you got to get your B in. Okay, so this matcha is certainly one way to get your B complex in. All right, so it is just it's the essence of green. We call ours the essence of green because it is so rich. It is so good for you. The studies tend to show that it certainly helps in certain cancers. It certainly helps to lower your cholesterol, your blood sugar, and your blood pressure. So if you are going to make a smoothie, I'm making my smoothie in honor of Chef Sandy Moray. Sandy's been running, she's a vegan chef, and she's been running some smoothie challenge. Okay, so check her out, Sandy Moraes. So I am going to be doing a matcha smoothie. So if you're going to make your smoothie, please put some matcha into it. So we're going to do this right now. And so you see how absolutely easy it is, like 1, 2, 3. And I'm just going to put simple ingredients in it. All right. So I'm going to put a banana, 1 banana. I put the banana in the refrigerator so that it was supposed to freeze, but I just bought the banana this morning. So it's cold, but not frozen. Or you put your banana. Let's see. You put your banana in the fridge and let it get and let it freeze, okay? Because it gives a creamy blend, and then you don't have to add ice to water down your stuff. And then since we're going for green, I'm going to put some spinach. That should be enough spinach. And then I'm going to put 2/3 of a teaspoon of matcha in there. And then I'm going to put some almond milk. So just wait for me. Don't go anywhere. I'm going to go get my almond milk. Okay. So here's my almond milk. You remember every time I tell you, it's not open heart surgery. So you could put anything in here, mango, you could put a little bit more ginger, you can put pineapple, right? Just understand, you can make it whatever you want. Okay, I'm just doing this today, and I like sometimes to do it for you all with simple ingredients, so you don't start saying, I don't have anything, I don't have anything. You have everything at your house. I know you have everything at your house. So I'm gonna just pour some almond milk in it. Okay, and this is gonna be my lunch. I tell you, I love my kitchen because it's big enough for me to, just big enough for me. Okay. Thank you, Dylan. What are you guys doing? How are you doing? Anything exciting where you are? You gotta tell me because I'm not around. So stick it in here. I perhaps will stop it before, but I like it nice and that's it, my people. That's it. That is a wonderful matcha smoothie for you. And this is my lunch. As usual, you end up having see me prepare my lunch. What a life. What a life. Okay. But it is all good stuff. If you want to stay healthy, you make these simple changes. And as you get, this is big. Yes, yes, yes. So I will have it like all day. I want to make sure I'll be sipping my matcha all day. Put it over here. Okay, dokie. And I think this is pretty. I tell you, here's the deal. It's very good. The banana really does give it a nice, smooth taste. So this is I'm gonna sip it all day. It's just it's really, really good. Trust me. Remember, we eat for, at least I do, two things. I have to have flavor, okay, in my stuff. You know, you could even put some vanilla in here. You can do whatever you want. Remember, it is not open heart surgery. And for nutrition. So when I'm eating, I'm trying to figure what's in this for me. What can I get out of it? And so I know, let's go over it. It's filled, this is matcha. You find it in Japanese tea houses, part of their ceremony, and it's very zen. It helps in meditation, helps in concentration, it helps your skin, it helps your heart, it helps your high blood pressure, everything. And so we have it. It's called Essence of Green. So you can get it there. Okay, so I'm gonna sit down like really and just meditate and have my big thing of matcha. So guys, have a great day. If you're in Deland, I'm looking forward to doing our first And the Women Gather Deland in March. So we'll tell you more about it. But you know, you owe it to yourself to eat well, live well. So go to desert-sage.co. That's desert-sage.com. Remember, how you help us bring these amazing stuff to you is by, you're going to like it, you're going to share this recipe with somebody, and you're going to shop. That's where you go to get all the wonderful things we like, share, shop. Okay.